and to prevent that your battery reaches that minimum level. So your battery is always in a healthy stage, in a healthy status. Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in on the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin, and in this episode we're going to talk about battery chargers, perfect when your car is being stored over autumn and over the winter months. So today is the 11th of October. It's actually beautiful weather in Holland. We don't see that so often. A lot of babies, a lot of hobby cars are going inside after the spring and the summer season to preserve them over autumn and over winter time. And especially when your car is being stored for a long time, then normally a standard 12-volt battery or batteries can be drained. And to prevent drainage of your battery, it's really helpful to use one of these Ctek battery chargers. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how a battery charger works, what it does for your battery, and also what it prevents. When your car is being stored inside over the autumn and over the winter months, then the battery can drain, and it can drain until the minimum level that's inside of the battery. When it comes under that minimum level, then the plates in the battery and the cell structure will deteriorate. Nice Scrabble word, deteriorate. When it reaches that low level, it cannot be charged anymore. So pretty much your battery is dead. To prevent a dead battery, we really encourage you and advise you to Ctek battery charger on the plus and the minus poles of your battery, and to prevent that your battery reaches that minimum level. So your battery is always in a healthy stage, in a healthy status. To prevent that your battery reaches that minimum level and to prevent cell structure, we really advise you to use a helpful tool. In this case, these are the Ctek battery chargers. You use the Ctek battery chargers to connect them to the plus and to the minus poles of your battery. And with that, your battery is being charged over time. Every time when the battery starts to drain, then the charger gives a little bit of new power into the battery. Now we're gonna move on with some tech talk, and for tech talk, here is Chris.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to talk about the Ctek battery chargers. Yeah. I already explained that it's advisable that your battery is not reaching the minimum level.
Yes, correct.
Because under that minimum level, then the cell structure of the battery deteriorates.
Yeah.
Yeah, and with that, it can never be charged anymore.
No. Then the battery is dead, completely broken.
Could that happen over, let's say, only one winter?
Yes, it can be happen.
Okay.
Sometimes one time it will be rechargeable.
Yeah.
But when you do it twice, yeah, I think it will be dead.
I had the same with my BMW, by the way.
I had also with my Porsche.
Yeah. Cool. So it's very advisable for hobby cars, sports cars,
boats, campers
that go inside over the autumn and the winter months.
Yep.
Cool. And then we connect them to the plus poles and to the minus poles of the batteries.
Correct.
Yeah. And then every time that the car is using a little bit of power,
yeah, he will level it up. So when the battery will be lower, the charger will lift it up. So okay. Every time, not over, but every time will be the same level.
Okay. So with that, you can keep the battery charger plugged into the power socket continuously?
Yeah, 100%.
You don't have to take it out?
Nope.
There's protection built inside?
Yes.
With like a fuse?
Yeah, it's in with some, they call it hash. You know, they fill it up, all the electric particles in the charger.
Yeah.
And so when there is a misconnecting, so you get a fire, you will completely down directly.
So it's like self-protecting?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Cool. Sounds very good.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Everybody, bye-bye, Chris. Bye, Chris.
Bye.
So here we go. This is the Ctek MXS 5.0 battery charger for 12-volt batteries, 5 amps. The red one is the plus caliper, and it goes onto the plus of the battery. And the black one is the minus caliper, and it goes to the minus pole or the current of the car. Here we go. Then we're going to connect the power plug into the socket. We can hear now it switches on. It immediately detects that it's all about a car battery. And it's now indicating that it's charging with up to 3 LEDs. Everything is now set up correctly. What we now can do is pretty much or we're gonna close the bonnet, we're gonna walk away and we're gonna leave the car standing there over the next couple of months until it's springtime again to wash and detail your car and to enjoy it the next spring and summer season. Sometimes batteries are placed in cars on hard to reach areas where this length for the extension cord is not enough. This is why the Ctek battery chargers can also be equipped with a long extension cord, in which you're gonna place the red caliper on the plus pole again and the black caliper on the minus pole. Then you lead the long cord to an easy accessible place on the car or in the car. Then you just connect it, click, put the power plug into the socket, and voila. It starts charging. So it's pretty much easy. Ctek's got a whole range of battery chargers. We've got 4, in this case 5 parts here on the card. You can find them all on the Ctek24 EU website with all specifications and information if you really like to know about the different types of battery chargers. So you can find all Ctek battery chargers on the Ctek24 website, and it tells you all about Ctek, the different types that are available, as well as the specs where you can use them for. To sum up this video in a nutshell, what have we been doing to prevent your battery from going flat or dead? You can use Ctek battery chargers to prevent that your battery is gonna reach the certain minimum level and with that damage the battery. Also, until a certain case that you cannot recharge your battery anymore. So preventing is even better. And the Ctek battery chargers help you to prevent helping that this damage can happen to your battery. It's super easy. Choose the battery charger that fits to your battery in your car. You can find it all out over the Ctek24 website. Then you're gonna place the plus caliper on the plus pole of the battery. The minus caliper goes to the minus pole of the battery or into the current of the car. Put in the power plug into the socket. Pretty much everything works by itself. I hope you liked this explanation video about Ctek battery chargers. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't do it already, please subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on any of our car and detailing content. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.